There is a secret in Bali, a secret in the shadow of Agon. When you walk on the shores of Tulamben and Amed, the secret is not revealed, the secret remains hidden. The shore is quiet and the sea is calm, just a ripple, just a breeze.
Can I show you the secret? Can we reveal the microcosmos?
A world of color and intrigue, with drama, little creatures in a world unknown, their stories still untold.
Can I bring you to this world?
There is a secret in Bali, and it hides in the north from the shores of Tulamben and Amed. The secret is revealed if you glide beneath the ocean and you carefully turn the rocks. Microcosm, secrets come to life.
Can I show you the secret? Can we reveal the light?
A world of color and intrigue, a world of color and intrigue. Little creatures in a world so small, their stories untold.
This is that world, what a beauty to behold.
So now you know the secret. In the shadow of Agon, you can walk the shores of Amed. You can dive the waters warm and clear. You can enjoy the little creatures and share the story with the world.
That's it.